Okay guys, so now we're going to try a practice problem similar to number 4 on your homework. That's probably the trickiest one you guys will have to do on the homework, but hopefully this will be helpful if you need a little extra boost getting started there. So we're going to write the sum of the first 10 multiples of 7 in sigma notation. So let's remember the first thing that we want to do is find our function that's going to go inside of our sigma. So to do that, I'm going to start by writing out these multiples of 7 so that we can start to look for a pattern and then find our function. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. So now looking at this, you guys should be able to recognize that this is an arithmetic sequence. And we just learned how to write arithmetic sequences as functions a couple weeks ago. So if we think back to when we were doing arithmetic sequences, let's remember that we can write these as the first term, which is 7, plus the common difference. So we can find that here. Looking, okay, we're adding 7, we're adding 7, so that's going to be our common difference. And then n minus 1. So if you guys don't remember how to do that, I would recommend looking back at those arithmetic sequences. But hopefully that's all easy, you guys are good, and that is how we're going to write our function. So now we're going to move on to the sigma. So remember, this is our sigma symbol. We're writing the first 10 multiples. So our starting value, we're going to start at 1, and then it's going to go all the way to 10. Then inside our sigma is where our function goes. So that's 7 plus 7, n minus 1. We can check this by plugging in all of those terms from 1 to 10 and making sure that we get the first 10 multiples of 7. Now we can also write this in a more simplified way if we just want to take this function and simplify it. So we look at 7 plus 7 n minus 1. We can distribute this, multiply it out, and get 7 plus, distribute like this, 7 and minus 7. Then these 7 cancel, and you just get 7n. So we can write this, also it means the same thing, we just multiplied it out, but it's the same meaning, so we can write it just the same, from n minus equals 1 to 10 of 7n, and that's going to give you the same thing. Hopefully that was helpful when you're looking at problem 4. You guys can do this. Thanks for watching.